these sessions we are going to be discuss about the need for tokenization. So here, before move on to that need for tokenization, first of all we are going to be try to see about the session learning objectives. So here we are going to try to see about how that the tokenization process are going to be take place in C programming. Then we just move to the topic, the need for tokenization. Okay, so obviously that whenever you want to tokenize your string, that time we can use strtok function, which is already available in C programming. If you want to use these functions, you have to include string.h header file. Okay, so obviously that strtok function, string tokenization function, that takes two arguments as inputs. For example, it's going to be trying to take an initial strings to be passed and a constant qualified characters delimiters. It returns a pointer to the first character of the token or a null pointers if there is no tokens. So first time strtok is called, the string is passed into tokens and characters delimiters. Here the string token functions passes the strings up to the first instance of the delimited characters, then replaces the characters in the place with the null bytes, that is we can say the /0, and return the address of the first character in the token. The subsequent calls to the strtok so begin parsing immediately after the most recent places null characters. So because strtok modifies the initial strings to be passed, the string is subsequently unsafe and cannot be used in its original form. If you need to perceive the original string, copy it into a buffer and pass the address of the buffer to strtok instead of the original strings. So based on this title, tokenizations, I have created two MCQ. The first one is, so which functions is used to tokenize a string? So the answers was, this is strtok, then strtokenize, then tokenize, then str. So obviously that just now we discussed, the output is, that is strtok. Okay, so strtok functions only are going to be used for string tokenizations. The next question, so based on this session, I just created another MCQ. Okay, so here, so the string str token functions are going to be tried to use for either pass the strings up to the first instance of the delimited characters, replace the character in place with the null, or pass the strings up to the first instance of the delimiter, replace the special character in a place, combine the strings up to the first instance of the delimited characters, replace the character in a place with null bytes, /0, or combine the string up to the first instance of the delimited character, replace the special character in a place. So as per the definitions, so the answer is, that is A. Okay, it's pass the strings up to the first instance of the delimited character and replace the character in place with null bytes. This is the answers. So I just move on to the summary. I think in these sessions we discussed about the how in which you are going to be tokenizing the string in C programming. Okay, thank you.